Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to connect your YouTube channel to your TikTok. So first of all, you click on your TikTok account. Below, you'll be provided with home icon, now icon, the plus icon for creation and posting of videos on TikTok, your inbox for messaging, and your profile icon. Here you click on your profile icon, and then you click on edit profile, which is just below your profile picture. After clicking your edit profile, you scroll down to the social section and then you click on YouTube, which is the last option here. After clicking on YouTube, you log into your Gmail account. Let's say I want to use another account. You type in your email and then your password. Click on next and you type in your password. You click on next again. And after that, you verify using your two-step verification if you use one, and then you click on done. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.